In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar notifications not working. Open Chrome and go to calendar.google.com. When Google Calendar loads, click the gear icon in the top right corner, then choose Settings from the menu. In the left sidebar, click General to expand it if it is not already open. Under General, click Notification Settings. The panel on the right should show a Notifications drop-down and a Snooze Notifications option. Click the Notifications drop-down and select Desktop Notifications. If you want a default snooze length, click the Snooze Notifications drop-down and choose a time, such as 5 minutes. Google Calendar saves this automatically, so there is no save button. If Chrome asks for permission to show notifications, click Allow. Keep Google Calendar open and check Chrome's site permission. Click the icon to the left of the URL in the address bar. It may look like a tune icon, a slider icon, or a lock. A small site information panel opens with permissions for this site. Look for notifications in that permissions list. If you see a toggle next to it, turn it on. If notifications is not shown, click Site Settings at the bottom of the panel. On that page, find notifications in the permissions list. Then choose Allow from its drop-down. Close the Site Settings tab and return to Google Calendar. The notification permission for calendar.google.com should now be set to Allow. Next, turn on notifications for the calendar itself. If you are not still on the Google Calendar settings page, click the gear icon again and choose Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down to Settings for My Calendars. Click your calendar name, which may appear as your email address, to expand it. Then click Event Notifications underneath. In the Event Notifications section, click Add Notification. Leave the first drop-down set to Notification, or choose Email if you prefer email reminders. Click into the Minutes field and type 10. Leave the Unit drop-down set to Minutes. If you use all-day events, scroll to All-Day Event Notifications and click Add Notification there as well. These settings also save automatically. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Google Calendar is now set to use desktop notifications. Chrome allows calendar.google.com, and event reminders are active. Keep the Calendar tab open or pinned in Chrome, because notifications appear only while Chrome is running.